In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Zoho Sheet using the web or desktop version. Whether you're organizing data for a project or simply tidying up a spreadsheet for clarity, transforming a series of cells into a well-formatted table can make a significant difference in how your data is presented and understood. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to select the range of cells that you want to convert into a table. Make sure to include headers in your selection if you have them. Headers play a crucial role in defining the categories of your data. This initial step is fundamental, as it sets the scope of your table within the Zoho sheet. If you're uncertain about which cells to include, take a moment to consider whether the selected data represents a coherent group with some relationship among the entries. Once you've highlighted this range, it's time to move on to the menu. At the top of the Zoho Sheet interface, locate the menu and click on the Format option. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Table. This action triggers a side pane to open on your screen, a dedicated control hub where you'll decide the visual fate of your new table. In the side pane, you'll find various predefined table styles and color schemes. These options are thoughtfully designed to enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your data. You might see a range of choices that offer different color combinations and border styles. Selecting one of these predefined styles can be a quick way to apply an eye-catching and professional look to your table without much hassle. Spend some time exploring these options, as choosing the right one can significantly impact how your audience perceives the data. If none of the predefined styles quite match your vision, there's no need to worry. Zoho Sheet provides the flexibility to customize your own color palette. This feature gives you control over every aspect of your table's appearance, from the background colors of the header and cells to the font styles and sizes. Getting the palette just right may take a little experimenting, so don't hesitate to test different combinations until you find the one that best suits your needs. Customizing the colors empowers you to maintain brand consistency or simply make the table reflect your personal style or the theme of your data presentation. And there you have it, a neatly formatted table in Zoho Sheet that's ready to make your data stand out and be easily understood by anyone who views it. Whether you choose a predefined style or go the custom route, creating a table in Zoho Sheet is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your data management tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out other videos in this series for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Zoho Sheet.